Page 4, preparation and piano keys and all that junk. I'm going to do pages, 4 and 5 here, I think. These are new lessons. I'm redoing the lessons in this book because I posted these lessons back in 2016 or something. Now I provide longer, more in-depth lessons on everything. So I'm going to replace all the lessons I did in this book with new ones. And I didn't do any lessons on Unit 1 before, so I'm adding lessons on Unit 1 here. I'm not going to cover everything necessarily, but I'll cover the high points. This lesson is on pages 4 and 5. On page 4, they give you some ideas about sitting at the piano. The idea with sitting at the piano is, first off, you're sitting, not standing. I mean, unless your piano's raised way up, you can stand. I don't care. But comfortably. Don't slouch forward. You don't have to sit up in attention, just nice, comfortable. The forearm here should be more or less even with the ground. More or less. Yeah, that's close enough. And you want to be far enough away so you're not scrunching. You don't want to be scrunching up. You don't want to be long way away, just comfortable. And that's fine. The hand position, as far as I'm concerned, if you just relax, your hand goes into a position, that's it. Just use that position. You don't have to force anything. We'll force stuff later. Right now, that's it. You're just a nice, relaxed position. The fingers curve all by themselves. Now, the fingers are numbered. Thumb is 1, little finger's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Both hands. Because sometimes we have to tell you which finger to use to play which note. And we do that with finger numbers. This is different from like string players. String players don't use the thumb. So their finger numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. They got 1 through 4. But in piano, we have to use the thumb. So the thumb is 1 and the others are 2, 3, 4, 5. Now on the keyboard, it's very neatly arranged. It works very well. You got white and black keys, and they're pointing out you have a group of 2 black keys. I don't know why they're bothering to do this, because it's obvious. It's a 2 and a 3, and they alternate. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. That's important because we don't need to put the names of the keys on the key itself. Some people will use stickers and they'll put the letter name of each note on the keys. I mean, if you absolutely have to have that as a temporary crutch to help you, I suppose. But as far as I'm concerned, we just need to learn what these keys are, and we'll do that over time. Now, the black keys, the position of the black keys, the arrangement of them, that tells us what the white keys are. And eventually, when we start using black keys, the white keys tell us what the black keys are. It's like a circle. That'll make more sense when we get into it. Now, it says in the middle of page 5, use weight. And I do. I use weight. It's a controlled weight drop. I let gravity do the work, and I control how heavy I feel. And I simply drop the weight into the key, whatever the key is. I think here we're using black keys. We're going to use these 2 black keys. I don't care which keys you use. It's the same technique. I'm dropping the weight down and letting the wrist collapse just a little bit. Don't stiffen up and play with a stiff wrist. And don't hold the hand still and try and use the fingers only. No. Let the hand move up and down a little bit and just put weight on which finger is playing. And if I go here, it's kind of like walking on the keyboard. I'm just transferring weight from one finger to the other, and there's a slight turn here. Here. I'm exaggerating it so you can see it better. It's here. Yeah, if you do them both, you put weight on both of them. Yeah, that's the technique that I teach. It's what I learned in college, so that's what I use. It helps to keep you relaxed. You're letting gravity do a lot of the work for you, so the muscles can stay relaxed. Tight muscles don't work well. And we need to be very relaxed because we got a lot of quick little movements to do. So we have to stay as relaxed as we can. At the bottom of page 5, they give an ad-lib thing. They want you to play the black keys, and they want you to just make them up. You just play them in just these 2, and you use both hands, wherever, and you're just making up a melody. So I'll go ahead and play that music at the bottom, and if you want to make up your own melody, that's it. There's no wrong answer there. It's entirely up to you. But I'm going to go 1, 2, ready, go, and then I'm going to start. That way you know when I'm going to start. 1, 2, ready, go. sound the most wonderful. But again, when you just add your own little melody on that little pounding accompaniment thingy and enjoy. Experiment. We do a lot of experimenting to get the sounds and what sounds works well and don't work well, whatever. Yeah.